If you started your work in Figma and want to seamlessly transition and sync your 2D work into Bezi's 3D canvas, this Bezi 101 video will walk you through on how to get that set up. To link your Figma account to Bezi, first we need to generate a unique token. In Figma's home screen, go to your profile menu, and then go to Account Settings. Once there, scroll down to the Personal Access Tokens section and click Generate Token. Give your token a unique name and decide how long you want your token to be valid for. Keep all other options below as is and hit Generate Token. Once your Figma token has been generated, copy it. In Bezi, create a new plane. Go to its material and select its image texture. On the top left, change it from Image to Figma. A new window will open up, and here is where you'll place your Figma token. You'll see options to convert each pixel of your project to 1mm equivalent on Bezi. You can use this if you want to 2x your resolution or more on Figma, but by default you can leave it as is. Press Save Changes to finalize your Figma integration with Bezi. Now that you have everything linked up, you can now place your Figma files into Bezi. In your Figma project, select your frame in either the Figma canvas or the Layers panel on the left. Right-click and copy link to the selection. Back to Bezi, paste the Figma frame link directly onto the canvas and it'll generate the frame. You can also do this by pasting the Figma link into the material's image texture. Figma integration can be used for buttons, sections of your design, or the whole frame. Quick note, Bezi supports transparency, so if you intend to show a glass transparency in certain parts of your project, make sure that they are turned off in the Figma frame. If you have changes in your Figma file and want the changes to reflect your Bezi project, go to the menu, hit Edit, and select Sync All Figma Frames. You can also find this by typing it in the Command Center. In conclusion, Figma integration is an excellent feature that helps designers streamline their 2D to 3D design workflow. Continue watching Bezi 101 to learn how to take your 2D design further into the next dimension. Catch you on the next one!